Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We return to Watersville yet again for another train catch here on the Old Main Line subdivision. So welcome back, folks. This is Railfan Studios, and today I'm here at Watersville, Maryland, to catch myself a CSX eastbound on the Old Main Line subdivision. Again, as usual, I am not entirely sure what the train could possibly be, but it is heading eastbound on the Old Main Line for all I know. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go for right now. And the last time that I've been down here, really nothing much has changed. But I have seen behind that porta potty, there is some signals down there. You can't really, there it is. So behind that porta potty, there is some gates there under or behind it. But as I said before, nothing much really changed. But anyways, I'll let you guys go, and here it comes, rounding the curve on the Old Main Line subdivision. Alright guys, here it comes. Got a little squirrel. Squirrel, you better watch out. Watch out, get off the tracks. Okay, thank you. Alright, here we go. Oh, and he's running into that person's house. Alright, here it comes, guys. I hope it's another mixed freight. But if it's another coal, then I won't mind. We'll just have to look at the power then. Alright, here we go. Alright. Alright, loaded coal train. Alright, so we got 991 leading. Alright. Alright, we got a load of coal heading to Curtis Bay Yard in Baltimore, Maryland. To Baltimore, Maryland, I'm sorry. Alright. The oldest I found of these were from the 1970s. So let's look at some of these. Oh wait. Most common you would find these is from the 2010s, 2000s, and the 1990s. 77, okay. That was pretty old. Maybe ex-Conrail, maybe? I don't know. Alright. Alright. 89, probably ex-Conrail. Likely that. Oh, that's number one. They're going so fast I can barely read the year they were built. Alright. Imagine if I'm aiming it down here like this. I swear. I always don't look at the camera when I film these things, alright? And that's it. Wow, that train was really, really short. So we got a Rear-DPU, likely an ES40 DC, 925, no, an ES44. Well, that was one hell of a quick coal train to start off. But anyways, there you have it. So there it is, CSX. I don't know what kind of idea it is, but it is heading eastbound to Baltimore, Maryland, to Curtis Bay Yard to fill up the coal vessels and ships at the port. So I'll go and let you guys go, and I'll see you all later on today for another brand new video. This is Railfan Studios signing off. Peace out, and catch you all on the flip side.